Hello guys, so as you can see here, that's our app here. In this app, we are going to get your lucky color. Okay. In this app, we will get our lucky color using our date of birth. So what we need to do here, we just need to put our date of birth in this box and we will find our lucky color. Okay. So let me just show you how this will work. Okay. So it's really very basic. Okay. So just let me just put my date of birth. So my date of birth is 7th Feb 0702, and you just need to put your last year, like suppose I'm 99, so 1999, or if you are like 2008 or 2007, so you need to put just suppose 2007, so like 07. Okay. And suppose if I'm from 1996, so I'll put 96 like this. So you can put anything, like let me just 03. Okay. Now I just need to click on the get your lucky color. As you can see here, this is black, so black is my lucky color. Okay, so if you want to let me just find out my original, which color is this. As you can see, the bluish. So you can change, this is your date of birth. So using that date of birth, we are converting our that date of birth to our color. Okay, so that's the overall app. We will add here more features. Okay, just a basic idea. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion for this app, just comment on the video. We'll implement that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.